Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you something interesting workflow in Comfy, which is a painter node. It's been there since long. I've been experimenting almost more than I would say 10 months. Did a lot of exploration experiment on this, so I finally decided to make it. You can see. So what is a painter workflow? You can create a something here. Right now you can see here, still out here. You can draw here and you can see the very clean output on the right side. I would say rendered one or painted one or the cleanest one, whichever you can call. So what is the advantage on this workflow? Let's assume you go any general workflow. It could be a Dali or Midjourney. Of course, things has been updated a lot. You can give an input reference images, you can generate exactly, but many cases you might not get exactly how you want to do. And second thing is, there is something feeling, right, which you are not the one who created exactly every stroke how you want the flow. So that's also missing in other workflows. So let's see here. You give an input here, and once you tap a Q, image will generate. Also, how this works with the LCM method. So LCM is latent consistent models. So input, the text input, basically this works in the clip node. I written here like something 3D render with, which is completely up to you. Whatever you want, you can write it here. And also I'm giving painter node, which will go here to the upscale. If you don't want upscale, you can feel free to skip this. So, and basically this goes here and come back and see the preview. Let me show. Okay, now this is my base. I'm going to do something. Let's say I'm going to add some sort of a costumes. So you just draw very patchy way. Make sure no gaps in between. So now I'm going to hit a Q. Look here. So yes, while the generation happening, it will rewrite entire thing based on once this red color things you given, model will understand, oh, what could be this input. Again, reiterate entire generation and it will give you. So now I'm going to hit a blue color. Yeah. So now everything is merging like a skin tone, right? So now let's try. You can pick here in patcher slightly. You can give. Oh. So by the way, if you want to undo, just make sure use this. Don't use Control Z or Command Z. You can see it's generated slight sort of depth. So now one thing you need to understand, so you can see there is text coming is love. So where it is coming, it must be taking somewhere here. So think that logic as well, why some texts are coming, why certain way of generation happening. So you need to consider all this. You can press Control 0. Control 0 will be reset. You can see everything, or you can tap this one, fit to the window, right? Something different material to this. So now it's coming like a very blend, very flat, right? So go back here. Let's say 3D rendered with a very cute, bright, colorful character. So 3D render, reflective, shiny, metallic. You can see here. Look, that is what this workflow makes different from others. you can see you can edit on the fly without changing much. So the color is the same. Now you set the properties. Let's come back here. We can we can take it a red color, whatever color you want. You can go crazy and experiment a lot. So by the way, we haven't changed much. We just added a, we just infused a sort of material. So now since I did, I'm making the mice symmetrical robotic kind of a silhouette. Look at this. Now you can clearly see the nice reflection, very clear one. So of course you can go and add it multiple colors as well. It still it works. One more thing I will show now. So let me come back. I'm switching the, so we all thinking this is sort of a robot. Now if it is not coming as you expected, so think like this. First you decide what you want. Right now I'm doing very randomly. If you want to do it, you can decide what exactly you want. So instead of character, let's say bright robo tick. That's all. Entire your entire prompt with altogether something different. So now you can go back, you can draw whatever you want, you can draw here cute. So now you decide you're going to draw cute robo. This is, so now model will try to help you on the robo side. So let's see what I'm going to do here. I'm going to do something more. But remember, currently we are still under the prompt of robo. The fun I want to show you. This is the trophy. Right. It's still mimicking as a robo. You go back. Same thing. Right. I am removing this entire part wires. Right? So now very cute. Also I'm removing. Cartoon I am removing. Chubby I am removing. As you remove, if you notice, it is going back what exactly you are looking. So now I'm slowly moving characters to object. As you refining, you can see the output looking much more refined, very crisp, very clear. So similar way you can do anything. Workflow. So if you guys liking this workflow or this my explanation, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. So thanks for watching guys. See you next week.